The bill is recorded, but the money has not moved yet. A payment is made with a voucher, and we raise it from the project's own Vouchers tab, so it stays tied to this job. We open the project and its Vouchers tab. The payee is our supplier. And we link the exact bill we recorded, so we never pay more than we owe. It pulls in the amount, the accounts, and the project automatically. We choose to pay by bank transfer, and set the payment date to today. We create the voucher, it is saved as a draft, nothing is paid yet. We open the draft and submit it for approval. It now enters the approval workflow. As the approver, we go to Pending Approvals, Voucher Approvals. Here is our voucher, waiting for sign-off. We open it to approve. Approving a payment is secured. We add a short comment. Choose to use our saved signature. Enter our approval PIN to unlock it. And submit the approval with our signature and PIN. Fully approved. Now the payment itself, we open the approved voucher and record the payment from our bank account. We pick the bank account the money leaves from, and confirm. Paid. The bill is settled, the voucher shows paid with a full approval and payment trail, and this cash now counts against the project. Every other supplier cost on this project, the freight, the professional fees, the interior fit-out and the marketing, is handled exactly the same way: record the bill, raise a voucher, approve it, and pay it. We have done those in the background, so the project's bills are now fully settled.